The mistake happens before you're fully awake, not when you're tired at night or distracted in the afternoon, but in the first fragile minutes of the morning. That single decision quietly trains your brain how to behave for the rest of the day. Most people think focus is something you summon with effort. It isn't. Focus is something you either protect early or you spend the entire day trying to recover. The mistake is giving your brain stimulation before direction. The moment you reach for your phone, your mind switches into reactive mode. Notifications, headlines, messages, noise. Your brain doesn't know what matters yet, so it treats everything as important. Dopamine spikes without effort, and your baseline resets higher. That's why work feels heavy later. Your brain already got its reward, and now it resists anything that feels slower or harder. Contrast that with a focused mind. Focus isn't intensity, it's clarity. And clarity comes from scarcity. When stimulation is delayed, attention sharpens. When input is controlled, intention becomes stronger. The brain learns a simple rule: effort comes before reward. Break that rule in the morning, and the rest of the day follows it. Here's what's really happening beneath the surface. Your brain is a pattern detector. Whatever you do first becomes the template. If the first action is consumption, your mind expects to consume all day. If the first action is creation, movement, or decision, your mind organizes around output instead. You don't rise to motivation, you sink to your first behavior. That's why people feel scattered by noon, not because they lack discipline, but because they trained their nervous system to chase novelty. Each scroll teaches impatience, each tap fragments attention. By the time real work appears, the brain is already tired of choosing. The fix isn't extreme, it's precise. Delay stimulation. Even 20 minutes changes everything. No phone, no news, no input designed to hijack attention. Replace it with one grounding action that creates earned momentum. Walk outside, stretch, write a single priority. Let your brain wake up inside your body, not inside a screen. This creates contrast, calm before chaos, intention before information. When you finally do check your phone, it no longer controls you. You control when and why. Focus stops leaking because it was never wasted. People who protect their mornings don't have stronger willpower, they have fewer battles. Their days feel lighter because decisions were made early, not negotiated all day. One clean start removes hundreds of micro distractions later. If your focus feels broken, stop trying to fix it at noon. Fix it at the moment you wake up. The quality of your morning doesn't just influence your day, it predicts it. And once you see that, you realize focus isn't something you chase, it's something you stop giving away. That understanding changes how you respect small choices. You stop calling them harmless. You see them as votes for the kind of mind you'll have hours later. A distracted morning creates a distracted identity. A deliberate morning creates quiet authority. This is why some people seem calm under pressure while others panic. They didn't wake up differently, they started differently. Tomorrow morning, nothing dramatic needs to happen. Just pause before you react. Breathe before you consume. Decide before you scroll. That pause is where control lives. Protect it, and your focus compounds. Ignore it, and no productivity trick will save the rest of your day. Fix the beginning, and the ending fixes itself. That's the power you've been giving away without noticing every single morning. Take it back once, and you'll never underestimate mornings again. Your focus will finally feel like yours, not something you keep chasing. That changes everything, permanently. Forward.